Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Halloween decor outdoor ideas provide a spectacular opportunity to transform the exterior of a home into a hauntingly delightful display. From to enhancing the possibilities are endless for creating a festive atmosphere that excites both young and old. Start by entering the front door with bewitching wreath featuring spooky elements like bats, spider, or ghostly figures. Setting the tone of the Halloween spirit, embrace the spirit of the season by scattering carved pumpkins and jack-o'-lanterns throughout the porch and pathways, illuminating them with the flickering LED candles to cast an eerie glow at night. Introducing a playful touch with fly seas, skeletons, or scarecrows posed in creative scenarios. Adding a touch of humor to the scar factor, utilize outdoor light with orange, purple, or green hues to create a magical ambience, giving the yard a haunted allure during the dark hours. Hanging spider webs and fake cobwebs in corners and bushes add an authentic touch of spookiness. Additionally, considering incorporating sound effects like cackling witches or howling ghosts to complete the haunted atmosphere for a more enchanting theme, fairy light, mystical creatures, and floating ghosts can add a visual touch with these imaginative and spooky touches. Halloween decor ideas offer a fantastic opportunity to create a wet-witching experience for trick-or-treaters and delight all who pass by. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.